Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, here we'll show you on a BMW 3 Series guys from 2006 to 2013 how to remove and replace dome light bulb. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about and we'll show you how to remove and replace it. We're talking about these light bulbs, okay, right here. Either the center one, okay, that's burnt, or the side ones. The procedure will be the same, so stay with us and we'll start on it now. We will have more than 200 videos on this vehicle guys, so if you have a BMW 3 Series, please subscribe, and if you need a special video, let us know and we'll try to make it for you. Also check out our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please subscribe there. We'll have more electrical components, engine codes, we'll also have airbag codes, things like that. Things that are usually hard to diagnose, so please check it out. So there are different ways to do that job now. One of them, you might break your dome light, so we'll not recommend doing that. We'll show you how it can be done, but towards the end when it's removed, so you know what to do. First thing, we'll need to remove the sun visor there. Now we'll need to go ahead and open the clip. Okay, like that. Underneath, okay, we'll need Torx 20, start looking bit. We'll have the tools that we use listed in the description of the video below guys, so if you need anything let us know, check out the description. Okay, now once you get the bolt loose, the screw loose, you have to pull straight out like that. After that, the same thing needs to be applied, okay, on this side over here. Okay, the gap is open. We're going to go ahead and remove the screw and we'll show you why we do that. Okay, just pull it straight out. Okay, like that. Now, if you move the mirror guys, okay, and you get, okay, your hands behind it, you feel two clips. Okay, one is on this side, okay, right here. Okay, our glass fell off, but that's fine. It's removable, and the other one is on the other side, okay. One is over here, one is over there. Okay, it's right here. So now you just pull it out. Okay, let me show you where the clips are now. Okay, those are the clips, you can see, like that. So, if you want to remove them guys, without doing all that work, okay, let me grab the glass so I can show you quick. Okay, this is the glass, you just pry it out, okay, and then on the front, right here, you can stick a screwdriver or a plastic removal tool. Okay, and plastic removal tool, trim removal tool, okay, you can stick it right here, okay, and you can get it out. Okay, you can see like that. So that's how you can remove it too, but I would recommend just coming from here from behind, and those are the clips that you will be pressing in. Okay, you need to press them in all the way for it to come out. So you can see our middle light is burned. So what we are going to do, okay, from the back side you access the bulbs, that's why we needed to remove the dome light. And you need to go ahead and turn counterclockwise, about 30 degrees, okay, this is the bulb now. Careful when you pull it out, not to break in your fingers, you pull it straight out, okay, we'll get a new replacement bulb. Or if you want to install new LED bulbs, you get it in the slots, it goes only one certain way, okay, and get it on. You can see right now it works perfectly fine. So that's how you guys replace it. You install it in reverse order, we took it apart. Okay, this end will go first and then you just press it in. So thank you for watching and see you next time.